Hello class 10th. Now today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 16, pollution. As you know, pollution is a serious problem in the modern time due to very rapid advancement in several areas such as industries, transport, agriculture, residential setup, thermal and nuclear power generation plants. It is causing deterioration and even poisoning of the environment, including oil, soil, water, air. It is posing a serious threat to human health as well as to almost all kind of our surrounding. Now, your syllabus contain the types and sources of pollution, the major pollutants, and biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, effect of pollution on climate, environment, human health and other organism and their control measure. Now, what is waste? What is waste? Waste is any unwanted substance. What is waste? Waste is any unwanted or undesired material. हमारे लिए कोई चीज़ वेस्ट है लेकिन सपोज दूसरे के लिए वो चीज़ वेस्ट नहीं होगी. ओके, तो दैट इज अनवांटेड एंड अनडिजायर्ड और मटेरियल और सब्सटेंस resulting from industries, commercial mining and agriculture operation and from community activity also. Okay, the waste generated from various sources can be classified into two categories. Two types of waste are here. First one is biodegradable. Biodegradable waste. And second one is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Okay, what is waste? Waste is any unwanted or undesired material or substances resulting from industries, commercial mining and agriculture operation and from community activities. Okay, the waste generated from various sources can be classified into two categories: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? Are those substances which can be broken down by organism, which can be broken down by organism. Okay, biodegradable waste are those substances which can be broken down by microorganism into harmless and non-toxic substances. These include animal and agriculture waste like dung, eggs, leaves, kitchen leftover and styrofoams. Now non-biodegradable waste are those substances that cannot be broken down. By microorganism or by organism. This is also microorganism. Okay, by microorganism. These include plastic. Example of the non-biodegradable plastic: glass, electronic wire. Okay, and e-waste also. E-waste also including accumulation of the large amount of these waste resulting pollution. That non-biodegradable. Biodegradable are the broken down by the microorganism and produce harmless and non-toxic substances. For example, dung, cow dung, okay, and animal dung, and eggs, leaves, lake, kitchen leftover, and styrofoam. Styrofoam also a non-biodegradable waste. It can be easily broken down by the microorganism. Now, second one, non-biodegradable waste are those substances which cannot be broken down by microorganisms. These include plastic, metallic cans, electronic waste, e-waste. Accumulation of the large amount of these wastes result in pollution. Now, what is pollution? Pollution Pollution is any such constituent which cause pollutant and pollution. Pollution causing agents are called pollutants. Pollutants वो substance हैं जो pollution को cause करते हैं. Pollutants are the substance which causes pollution. Now pollution is the addition of any such constituent to air, water, land which deteriorates the natural quality of the environment. Now types of pollution. Types of pollution की pollution कहाँ पे unwanted substances add हो रहा है, addition such to air and land and water. If it is add in air तो now cause air pollution. Second, land pollution, also called soil pollution. Land pollution is also called soil pollution. Air pollution, soil pollution and water pollution. Water pollution and radiation and noise. Okay. Now pollution is the addition of any such constituents or to air, water or land which deteriorates the natural quality of the environment is pollution. And what is pollutants? Is any such constituents which cause pollution, that is pollutants. Types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution or soil pollution, water pollution, radiation and noise are 5 in your syllabus. First is air pollution. First one is air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution means degradation of the air quality. Degradation of the air quality harmfully affecting the living organism as well as certain objects. Living organism as well as harmfully affecting the living organism as well as certain objects. Okay. Air pollution means degradation of the air quality harmfully affecting the living organism as well as certain objects. Okay. Now types of air pollution. Types of air pollution. First one is the air pollution is basically of 2 types. It is of basically 2 types. First one is gaseous, when it is in the form of gaseous pollution, and second one is particulate pollution. It is very important for the board. Particulate pollution. Particulate pollution. Gaseous pollution is harmful gases given out from a variety of sources. What is gaseous pollution? Harmful gases given out from the variety of sources, that is gaseous pollution. And particulate is a pollution. Particles such as dust, smoke, mining, stone drilling, wearing of rubber tire of motor vehicle causes particulate pollution. Okay, basically mining and stone drilling. माइनिंग एंड स्टोन ड्रिलिंग. जब हम ड्रिल करते हैं स्टोन को तो उसमें से जब पार्टिकल्स निकलते हैं, दैट कॉजेज पार्टिकुलेट पोल्यूशन. स्टोन ड्रिलिंग, okay, causes particulate pollution. Now source of air pollution. Source of air pollution or sources of air pollution. Sources of air pollution. First one is natural sources and second one is man-made sources. Natural sources and second one is man-made sources. Man-made sources. Natural sources, for example, ash from the burning volcanoes causes natural source of the air pollution, and dust from the storms and forest fire. And these pollution are beyond human control. That natural resource sources, that pollution are beyond human control and will continue to occur. Natural sources for the natural pollution, that is ash and burning ash from the burning volcanoes, dust, storm and forest fire. And man-made sources, the vehicular, that is automobiles industry and garbage, bricklings. These are the four major source which to a great extent under human control, and the method of controlling them are being developed. यहाँ पे क्या होंगे, volcanoes हो गए, dust from storms and forest fire. And man-made sources are automobiles, second industries, and garbage, and fourth one is bricklaying. Bricklings. Okay, these are the four major sources which to a great extent under human control and method for controlling them are being developed. Now first one is vehicular air pollution.